Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Sheila here, and today I thought I would bring you guys a Dollar Tree shopping haul. Over this weekend, I went to the Dollar Tree, and you guys, I was so amazed at some of the cutest little things they've got. Like some of the home decor, I was really blown away by some of their items. Look like very good quality and adorable things. But before we get started and me showing you what I did get, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll be so honored to have you in my YouTube family. Alrighty, so let's get on to the shopping haul. Okay, first off, I had come across an email from the Dollar Tree, kind of like showing what their newer things that got coming out. And I saw, actually I clicked on and went to the website and just kind of like browsing around. And I saw one item that I really was very curious about, because as soon as I saw it, I thought of a DIY and it just hit me. So I knew I wanted to see if any of them had that, and also to go and see if they had any of the lemon stuff, because everybody's gone crazy over the lemon theme, which I do have some in my kitchen, which I've always done that, but I've been looking for, you know, like a little extra. But so I wanted to see the lemon, you know, plates and all that stuff. And I did go to 4 Dollar Trees. Yes, 4. And none of them had them. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Until I came across one, and they did only had a few. And I'll insert a picture of what it did look like somewhere in here. And they had nothing left. But here are those Dollar Tree plates. Are they not cute? Look at them. And I got 4 of them, and I did try to get I wanted the dessert plates or salad plates, whatever, but they didn't have any of those. But I'm gonna keep going back and looking. But look how pretty. I hope I can look how pretty these plates are. They're really good. Not sure the brand is Royal Norfolk, I think that's what it's called. But what impressed me is they're microwavable and dishwasher safe. That really means a lot. But look, I mean, you can see they're not super thick, but they feel really good for $1. But look how pretty they are. I'm sorry, the glare. The detail of the lemon and the florals, really cute. But this is what I was going for. This is one of the items, and I was, like I said, after I went through 4 of them, I finally found only 4 plates. And I'm still looking for the salad plates or dessert plates, whatever you want to call them. So I'm hoping my Dollar Tree eventually does get more, or I can find another Dollar Tree that has them. I know I can order them online, but I don't need 20. I think it's a minimum. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure how they do that order, and I think there's a minimum. But anyway, but very good. I mean, you guys, really, if y'all were looking for something like this, you know, just to set your for a tablescape, go get these. I highly recommend them. Alrighty, and while I was there looking, I kind of walked by, you know how you kind of walk around, and I come across, you know, I always go down every aisle looking around, and I come across these. I know they're random, and I know you're thinking, that's not home decor, but for, I do a lot of gardening and outside, and I needed some more. And I thought, what kind of qualities are at the Dollar Tree? I mean, you know, I'm thinking, are they cheap? No, they're not. Very good. They're well made, and I love the little cushion they got on them. They had them in different colors. I got this little neon green, and then here's the shovel. These are the 2 they had. They had the little rake and the shovel, and I kind of pulled on them just to make sure they just won't, like I dig one time and it falls out, but it doesn't. I mean, really great quality for $1. And here they are, and they're kind of like I mean, they're metal, but they're not, it's not like a real thick one, but not thin at all. I mean, I am like, I even got my husband, he said, why are you buying them? And I said, and he tried to pull it down, and really impressed him. I mean, look at the soft foam it's got on them. And, you know, you can hang them up in wherever if you want to, because they got holes in them, and I like that. And you like put a string on them, you know, to hang up in your utility your building or the garage or whatever. But I really like them. Sorry about that. Next up, I was looking, and while I was there in the area, I come across some, looking at, because they had some gloves beside of those, and I got me a pair for $1. Had some, and I thought, oh well, you know, I don't need it. But the reason I got them is because it's got this like little grips, you know, to like you can hang on to your shovel or whatever have you. But look at them, you can see the grips on them, and I love the little polka dotted pink. And, you know, for $1, I mean, get you 2 or 3 pairs, because I don't know about you, but I'm constantly losing my gloves when I do go outside. So I picked up a couple of them just to have. I mean, for $1, you really can't beat it. But I really highly recommend it. Next up, I was looking at the home decor, and I come across a couple of the little signs. One being this one here. I love this one. It's got like a little flap here where you can stand it up on it like a table. It says, it's so good to be home. It's got like a little galvanized metal little strip there. It says home. Love it. And these are really cute. It would be great for them, you know, your tier trays, or, you know, if you just want like a little something, you can put these out. Loved them. They had a great, I think they had like 4 or 5 different styles and sayings on these little things. You know, there's a little cheap little press board, but really, really cute. I got this one here. Then I loved this one. It's got like a burlap kind of, I'm sorry for the glare. It's got like a burlap on it, and then it's got, you know, little metal here. And they had, I think, 3 different styles of these. One was like saying farm, sweet farm, something to that effect. And then the home one here, this one says home. Noun, a place or feeling of belonging or gathering place for friends and family. I love that one. I'm going to use this one here for my tier tray. I loved it. Here's the side. Here's the back. And it's even got one of the little alligator little hangers here where you can hang it up. But, wow, I mean, I wouldn't never thought they would have that, but really, really cute. Then I found, now these here I loved. This here, it says home as well, and it's got like a wreath on it with a bow. I love this. It's like this on the sides and the back here. Now this one don't have where you can hang it up, but you can set that anywhere. But the reason I got these, because these are really good. I mean, they're really stiff. They're like a shiny kind of on them. I'm not sure what it is. I think the side here is painted, but the front here has got like a slick kind of a material on it. Really, really cute. They had like 2 or 3 of this style, different sayings as well on this one. And then I got this here for my bathroom. I loved this one. It says wash, refresh, soothing, quiet, relax, unwind, bath, bubble, soak. Cute, huh? I love this one. It's got a little place here where you can hang it up as well. It was in like a plastic wrapper. That's impressed me. I love this one. Now they had a huge selection of these, because not just because of that one, I also got this one here. I took this one out of the wrapper. It's a pineapple for any of you pineapple themed people out there. This one looks like it's got like a faux shiplap on it. Really, really cute. It says welcome family and friends, and it's got like a 3D effect. I'm gonna try to show you guys here, like, and if you don't want the pineapple, you can take it off and do a DIY with this or whatever you want to. But I fell in love with these. And like I said, they had, I don't know, 3 or 4 different styles of these. But, you know, I wanted to buy them all, but I really got nowhere to put them. I really don't. So I just kind of like, just got a few of them. But look, really, really cute. Alrighty. Now, and I was looking, I usually don't buy too many of these little signs here. They have, like, you know, theme signs. I usually kind of shy away from them unless I'm going to do a DIY. But when I saw this one, I really liked it. It is the one that says, here, it's got fruit stand, lemonade, strawberry, pickin'. I love this one, especially the lemonade and the strawberry. I'm going to take it apart And I like the way it's got like an arrow kind of like look on one side of it. So if you do, any of you DIYers out there, you can actually turn it over and you paint it. So if you got any plans for like an arrow, if like you want to put it up on the wall, it'd be really cute with that. But yeah, it looks like you can just take them apart. But that's the reason why I got this one, because like I said, I'm gonna dismantle it and use it for my lemonade and also for my strawberry. That's the two I'm really gonna be using. But you know, hey, really, really great. A lot of things you can really do with this one, a lot of DIYs with this one. That's why I grabbed it. Alrighty, and coming up, I know we just had Memorial Day weekend we just passed, but they had still a lot of patriotic stuff out there for July 4th. And I did pick up a few things for my little Memorial Day little thing. I got a little vignette, little area. So I was kind of looking around for the July 4th, and I come across these here. I went to go get these last year, and they sold out of them fast. They're the hamburger or the paper trays. They're the hamburger and hot dog little trays. And I don't know about you, but when I have a cookout, I like everything to matchy and really look, I don't know, it just looks really cute that you took the time to really make like a, I don't know, just, I think this looks great when everything looks so matching. And these here, really good. And you wouldn't think they were great quality for $1, but they are. The little hamburger and hot dog little trays. And actually you can use these trays for fruit, you know, or anything. For it'd be great for kids, you know. And if you don't know about you, but when you go to clean up after your guests leave, you go to clean up, just trash them. I mean, it's $1. And I got this style here, and also I got this style here, the American flag. I love these here, but I like the way these look. I mean, you know. Sorry, I like the way the two colors, two styles are. And here is the hamburger one to that. Cute, huh? And I know, but for $1, you wouldn't think it'd be great quality, but they are. I mean, then I got a couple packs of these straws here. I got the blue and the red. Now, they did have one other one out there. I think it was like have 3 different styles of these. They had the red, the blue, then they had another one, and I didn't get that one but for 18 paper straws, very good. And these here, I'm thinking to myself, I could actually use these at Christmas time. So I actually got a couple packs of the red, but I mean, I really, really like these. Really cute. And I also picked up, which I didn't need, but I went ahead and picked up the napkins as well to match, you know, the paper trays, the hot dog and hamburger trays. I got this style, and then I got this style. I really didn't need to get these because last year at Hobby Lobby, when they clearanced out all of their Patriotic after July 4th, I got a bunch of them, but I just went ahead and picked these up to show you guys that, you know, they do have these here matching if you want to get them to match your theme. Alrighty. And going back to the lemons, I found these here. They're lemon napkins. They are so cute. They actually had them in the watermelon, and then they had them in the watermelon, let's see, orange. They also had it in the orange as well. So there's 3 different types, and I just got the lemon. I really like the way they had it designed here. And there's 16 of them in a pack, which I know for 16 for $1, but they're really, really cute. Be good for like if you had a good, huge thing of lemonade and put these out. They would really, really coordinate together. I think that would really look cute. But look, I love it. It's really bright. Really, really pretty. You know, I was thinking with the lemon, if you would take like the lemonade little sign with your lemons, you know, and have a great big thing, huge of lemonade, that would be so pretty, like a little, you know, your drink station. That would really look nice, you know, to kind of coordinate all of your, you know, for your guests. That it shows a lot that you took the time and care and to make everything special. And so what? It came from the Dollar Tree. You know what I mean? But you can really make nice areas for your guests. Really cheap. I mean, really, you just use a little bit of creativity and imagination. And the Dollar Tree, heck, you can plan a whole big party. Alrighty, well, that wraps up today's video. I hope you found some inspiration on some of the things I did bring. I know I can't wait to get started on some of these things I did find. I'm so ready to get started on some of them. But I hope you have a fantastic week. Thursday or Friday on my next video, we're going to do like a summer tablescape, because I know some of you have asked about my summer table, and it's a work in progress, and I'm still zhuzhing it a little bit, but I'll show you what I have done so far, and perhaps I may have done something else by the end of the week, you know. Alrighty, and sending all of my love from my home to yours. Happy decorating. Bye bye.